Outstanding.
Welcome again to another beat making video. It's your boy Eldorado. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, select all notifications so you can get the post notification them as soon as the videos are uploaded, are made public. You can get the notification. If you don't, you won't, or you miss out on a lot of things. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Eldorado Productions, and visit my website for a bunch of goodies that are there for you. Now, in this beat video, it's kind of like a upliftment, epic anthem, summer something type beat. Yeah, so me try to find a name for the thumbnail and the title of the video, but it's something like that. So without further ado, we get into it. Now the first instrument I have on this is Grandpa Piano from Sample Tank 4, and this is the chord progression that I have for this pattern to begin with. Yeah, so it's in the scale of D major, and the second sound that I have here is Ram Spire with the pluck in Factor preset with the delay and the reverb turned off, and this is what it sounds like. I basically layered the piano with that. The third sound that I have on it is some keys from Contact, Berlin Grand. It's a festival preset sample, and this is what it sounds like, and with the chord progression. Next sound I have on this list is an harp sound that I layered, an arpeggiated sound with the raindrop preset, and I select the mood from up down to down and pretty much leave everything else as is, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, the next sound that I have on it is the bass. And it's a sound from Trillion. It's called Clicky JP8 bass, and I added some tube to it also, and pretty much leave everything else as is. Next sound on this, I have the long bass, same bass. Pretty much leave it as is with 50% velocity. Next sound is Inner Child, preset from Citrus. It's a pad sound, and I pretty much layered it. I use this pad sound in this beat to help fill the background of the beat to give it a more epic sound. And the next, last but not least, I have some high notes from Berlin Grand Mood sample bank from Berlin Concert Grand Library in Contact. I think I have it here, and select the mood They have different one. I select the mode, and this, and I also added some effects to it with secret sauce. Open up preset, turn on the overall, turn off everything else and pretty much leave everything else as is. Pan man to kind of give it some movement, and I high pass filter it with an EQ and use the equalizer here to duck some of the highs. Also, what I did for Inner Child is EQ'd it, take out some of the highs, triangle bass, pretty much just put a soft clipper, and I side chain the kick to the bass. The Berlin Festival Grand, I pretty much EQ'd it like this. Pluck, pretty much EQ'd it like this. And snare, I compressed it a little. And on the master, I have a bus compressor, pretty much not doing anything, and a soft clipper at the end, pretty much not doing anything. For the drums now, I have this kick from the Trap Dancehall drum kit. You can get it on the website. For the hi-hat, snare, and the other hi-hat. For the snare roll, this is what the snare roll sounds like. This is what the bass and kick sounds like together in context. It is very mature for a beat maker, for the bass and the kick to have some sort of relationship, sounding like playing in context for one another. That's how you get perfect bass lines with the kicks. This is what the beat sounds like in context. wonderful. No, my computer choked a little because of the screen recording. You know, when I was building this beat, it wasn't choking like this, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I hope you like this beat. I hope you really learn something from it. Hope it can help you make better beats and stuff like that. Yeah, that is one of the reasons why I'm going henceforth doing my videos like this. I think I can get more beat making videos out there by doing this instead of using certain things for certain things. But I will still keep on doing what I'm doing until you know some videos I will do it in real time. Some videos will be like this. So thank you again for tuning in. Thank you again for watching. Hope you like this video. Please do leave some comments below if you want me to build a specific type of beat for an artist type beat, a song type beat, whatever type beat it may be. Other than that, I just throwing contents at y'all. So until next time again, it's Eldorado. Peace out.